Oh, hi guys. This is Mike and welcome to my new channel Audiophile Supersound, where we test the world's greatest, most awesome audio equipment in the world. So I was using this cheap USB cable for years and I was never happy with my sound. But I mean, no wonder, just look how vile, how disgusting it is. But then I found this here. Witness how beautiful, how gorgeous it is. And I know there will be some envious morons out there saying, well, it's a USB cable, it's digital, there can't be any sound differences because it's digital and it only transfers zeros and ones. Well, guess what, moron? You are a zero and a one. I mean, just listen to the sound samples. The differences are night and day. You heard that, right? Right. So I'll admit this cable is a little bit on the expensive side, but it's totally worth it. So go ahead and buy it, and I'll guarantee it will change your life. You will feel so stupid that you haven't done so earlier. Okay guys, so that was it. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because next time we'll check out how different volume knobs actually enhance the sound of your guitar. You don't want to miss that. See ya!
Yeah, hello, is this customer service? Yeah, hi, so I bought this very expensive USB cable from you guys 1 month ago and it stopped working. No, I don't want a refund, I love the sound of it. Just, can you send me a working one maybe? Yeah, okay, great, you got my address, right? That's it, right, thanks. And thanks for making such a great product. Yeah, thanks, yeah, I love you too. I love you too. Bye. Yeah, bye now. What a great cable.